welcome back to the channel, besties. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Today we are excited to partner with this company called Fitville. They sent us a shoe. They asked me to go on their website, pick something that I like, because it's coming on to winter. I got this pair. So this is what it's looking like. It doesn't get so wintry where I am, but at some point, oh, it feels so good inside. You do need something warm on your feet when it hits the 50s. Yeah, you're going to want something warm and cozy on your feet. And so these are the ones that I picked. They do not only have winter shoes, they have running shoes, they have shoes for walking, they have wide width if your foot is broad and you're looking for something that's nice and comfy. So we're gonna try this on and see what they feel like. All right, let's try them on. Before we try these on, let me just give you guys a bit of information. They are known for wide width, wide 2E and extra wide E for wide footers. Will relieve foot pressure because of the wide toe boxes, so we can say goodbye to jamming feet into narrow shoes. Fitville is also a cutting-edge company known for pursuing human foot health. Fitville shoes are helpful for people in their daily lives to prevent sprained ankles, knee injuries. And if you're just needing a comfy pair of shoes to move about all day, this is a good place to start looking. Don't forget to use our code TAM30 to get 30% off your purchase. And let us take a quick look at their website. This is what their website is looking like. So there is shoe for men, there's shoe for women. They even have accessories over there. I typed in Mary Jane's. They have the Mary Jane's over there as well. Just go ahead and check the website. Do remember to use the code if you want to save 30% off your purchase. Now this is the shoe I got. This one they have in the camel brown and they also have it in black. All right, you guys, with that said, let's go try on the shoe. All right, you guys, we are about to try these on. I did size up because I like to have winter shoes roomy on my feet. I like to have it nice and comfy. So if I have to put like a thick sock inside, I can warm my feet, you know, with a thicker sock. This is actually very comfy. It's very roomy. And I love the camel color with the white. You can see me having fun over her, waiting for it to get cold so that I can actually beat these on the outsides. If you are looking for nice, comfy winter shoes, running shoes, walking shoes, check Fitville. That's a good place to start. Check the link in the description box below. It will take you directly to their website.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.